K-Arabica Golden Coffee with turmeric and ashwagandha. Benefits: it refreshes you, boosts your energy levels, rich in antioxidant, increase metabolism, immunity booster, helps reduce stress, anti-inflammatory, and excellent blood purifier. Now, how the taste looks like. Take a sachet. Put 1 sachet of coffee, Golden Arabica coffee, or hot water, and I'm going to drink just black K-Arabica Golden Coffee with turmeric and ashwagandha. No sugar, no creamer, even no fresh milk. Stir and enjoy the coffee. You can feel, smell, and the taste of Arabica coffee with turmeric and ashwagandha. It tastes excellent. The next gen coffee. K-Arabica Golden Coffee with ashwagandha and turmeric. You can feel the turmeric and ashwagandha. That's it. Taste for it.